Hello guys, welcome to the workshop. Okay, today, we will draw a menu map for our electronic clock. You may ask, what is menu map actually? Is there something like an ordinary map? We believe you will find the answer in just 3 or 4 minutes ahead. Okay guys, let's get started. Okay, let's begin to draw a menu here. There is menu number 1. Every device has a name. Through a name, we will understand the function of the device itself. So that's why we need to fill menu number 1 with the name of our device. Electronic clock. Yes, this is the name of our device. Next, besides menu number 1, we draw a menu again. There is menu number 2. Some electronic devices need a delay before beginning to operate, included our electronic clock. This delay used to read something or to stabilize something before our device begin to operate. So, that's why we fill menu number 2 with. Okay, next. Beside menu number 2, we draw a menu again here. There is menu number 3. To fill menu number 3, let's see this ordinary wall clock as a sample. Here, in showing time, there are 3 important things. These are hours, minutes, and seconds. Where seconds is always moving. So, we catch this and fill menu number 3 with. Show time in hours, minutes, and seconds. Okay, before we move to draw the next menu, let's see the result first. Okay, we did it. It's work. Here, as you see, menu number 1 is used to show the identity of our device. There is an electronic clock. Menu number 2 is used to show a please wait information while our device program begin to start. And menu number 3 is used to show time in hours, minutes, and seconds. Okay guys, until this step, we have succeeded. In the next part, we will draw next menu for setting those hours, minutes, and seconds. Thanks for coming. See you in the next part. Have a nice day.